Hey friends, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will explain you what exactly is a business plan and why do you need it. So let's dive.
What is a business plan and why do you need one? When most people think of writing a business plan, they envision a long, extensively detailed document with reams of data and financial forecasts. While that may be the requirement for people seeking outside funding, a business plan doesn't always have to be all that complicated to be effective. It provides the blueprint for how you intend to build your business, so the plan only has to be as long as you need, depending on the size of your business. Use your own business plan to map out your goals, action plans, and financials, while significantly increasing your chances for success. The most common use for a business plan is to get funding from a bank or loan organization for a new or existing business. This is where you'll end up needing that long document that supports all aspects of your plans and why you believe they'll succeed. Writing a business plan of this nature can be an ordeal and can slow down the start of your business, but it's a necessity if you need someone else to loan you money. Both online and offline business owners often create a business plan on a yearly basis to get themselves organized for the next year. It's a way of taking stock of their progress, examining what's working, and laying out goals and plans for the year to come. Almost all of the very successful business owners will tell you that they create business goals and action plans on a regular basis, sometimes as often as once a month. In addition, if you have been struggling in your business or are considering something new, the entire process of creating a business plan will help you see where you can be most profitable. It will also tell you where you are going wrong and need to change. What are the key components of an online business plan? Most business plans are comprised of the following parts. If you are creating a proposal for a business loan, you will be given more precise requirements, but for your own online business, these components should be plenty sufficient. Description of your business model and target market. What kind of business are you implementing and who are your target customers? Unique selling proposition. What do you have to offer that makes you different from everyone else? Business goals. What are your specific measurable goals that you want to achieve and when? Marketing plan. What marketing strategies will you put in place and what is their timeline? Action plan. What are the tasks you need to complete and when? Financial forecast and budget. How much is all of this going to cost on a monthly basis and what kind of revenue do you expect? How long will it take you to break even and make a profit?